Tuesday, April 14th, 2026, AGNDD Intelli Report topic. What does mogging mean? The internet slang term explained. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this partially AI-generated article-based video. What does mogging mean? The internet slang term explained. From looksmaxing to mog wars, here's what the term really means and why it's everywhere. By Nitya Rao, April 5th, 2026. You might not be chopped, but do you actually mog? If you've spent any time on social media lately, you've likely seen the slang term used to describe someone who stands out in a crowd, often in terms of appearance or aura. While mogging may seem like just another unintelligible entry in the Gen Alpha dictionary, it reflects a deeper fixation on comparison, cockiness, and confidence in online spaces. But what exactly does it mean to mog someone, or to be mogged? And why has the term gained so much traction? What does mogging mean? Chico Lakowski, a Brazilian model often referenced in looksmaxing discussions for his strong symmetrical features, vertical bar Emma McIntyre/Getty Images. At its core, mogging is about comparison, when one person significantly outshines another in looks, physique, or even life status. Being mogged, on the other hand, means being on the losing end of that comparison. Merriam-Webster defines it as a humorous internet slang term meaning to outclass, typically used to describe someone as far more attractive than another. Often tied to modern ideals of masculinity, from model-esque jawlines to muscle gains, the term fits neatly into Gen Z and Gen Alpha's obsession with self-improvement and competition. Where does mog come from? Like many physique-focused terms, mogging is rooted in misogyny, gaining traction within parts of the internet known as the manosphere. The term stems from the acronym AMOG, or alpha male of the group, and first appeared in online forums in the mid-2000s to describe one man visually surpassing another, often in terms of height or bone structure. Over time, it became linked to looksmaxing, a broader online trend centered on maximizing physical appearance and comparing features. As it spread across social media, particularly TikTok in the 2020s, mogging evolved into a more general term for any clear display of superiority, used both seriously and in a more tongue-in-cheek way. How is mogging used online? Braden Peters, known as Clavicular, champions the idea that a young man's highest priority is to be hot, or to mog. Vertical bar, Victor Virgil, Getty Images. Online, mog wars have broken out between content creators, including Braden Peters, known as Clavicular, in ongoing looks-based contests that blur the line between humor and seriousness. From videos promoting DIY plastic surgery, like bone smashing to achieve a more chiseled jawline, to a viral February clip in which Peters was frame-mogged by an ASU frat leader, these exchanges often center on aesthetics rather than deeper qualities or accomplishments. On X, formerly Twitter, Biggie clips at BiggerBoy111. Clavicular ran into a frat leader at ASU and got brutally frame-mogged by him. Clavicular still getting frame-mogged or body-mogged by an ASU frat leader. Teachers have even turned to TikTok to explain the term mogging, which has made its way into middle school classrooms and chat rooms, but it's ultimately just a newer expression of a long-standing culture of comparison amplified by technology. Mogging has also made its way into the mainstream. Olympic gold medal-winning figure skater Alyssa Liu referenced it after a competition, saying, "I feel like my main goal for this competition was to mog, so hopefully I did that." Her comment reflects just how widely the term has spread, from niche online communities to more casual conversation. More like this. What does Pookie mean and where did it come from? From POS to GTFO, breaking down the meaning of insult abbreviations. Why do we tell people to go touch grass? If you still don't know, let's explain the meaning of the term simp. 20 modern dating-related slang words and phrases to know.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD Intelli Report, dear viewers. Please like and subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers.